8:15 in the morning. All right, let's talk some crypto. Let's look at Bitcoin first. We were around this area last time. We spoke about this line, the bearish trend line, the final trend line, and then we mentioned that if Bitcoin get out of this bearish trend line, it will be for the first time that we break out of bearish channel. So yes, we are currently right on that line. So this is gonna be quite decisive for Bitcoin. If it breaks out of here, the next area that it needs to break will be this the neckline of the head and shoulder that we spoke to. You can see this head and shoulder. So first, this area, there will be some resistance. I think it's going to break, and then maybe it will struggle to break out in this area, and then eventually it will get out. But getting out of this channel will just tells us that this inverse head and shoulder that everybody is waiting for, if it plays out, we might see some quick movement of Bitcoin going further up to the next resistance. I wouldn't want to see that. I will in fact be happy if I can see some more consolidation in this area, because definitely for sure come the second quarter, the third quarter of the year, we are still going to see Bitcoin going up. So I will prefer to slowly or just stay in this range. But yeah, everybody is looking at this inverse head and shoulder. We had a small one here, inverse head and shoulder. We had a couple of them that I've showed you in the previous video. So I am still I still think we might see Bitcoin breaking out of this area today, and then moving and stay to this zone, or else we see it coming back down here. And if it comes back here, and then it will be easy to break out of this channel because the price will be much lower. But yeah, I think for now it's quite neutral, not too bearish, not too bullish. So I will expect or I will wish for more consolidation in this area, so that we can manage to collect more Bitcoin. All right, let's next go and talk about ZCL. I spoke about ZCL long time back. I think it was last year when they announced the fork, and then the price has gone. I think this was the first area where we were buying for this area. I can't remember. I think it's this area. Okay, and then the price went all the way up here. It was like a crazy move, and then that was the top. People started dumping it. I managed to get some of my profits out here in this area, and then I think the last one was around somewhere in this area. So what can we learn out of this? It's always taking profits. If you are buying something because of announced fork or airdrop or whatever news, the best one is to get in early. Obviously, once you get in early, try to get your capital out, and a little profit. That's what I've done. I got my capital out and then a little profit. So whatever that is left, I'm gonna let it go for a fork that's gonna happen today, and then I'm gonna get Bitcoin private. Whatever happened with private, and whatever happened with the CL, I know it's free money. It's not my capital. I've taken out my capital. So we have seen this happening with NXT. We're seeing it happening with ZCL, and I don't know if it's going to happen with ETC. Let's just go and look at ETC. You know, ETC Callisto airdrop. It's happening in the next few days. But one thing about ETC, it didn't pump that much. And I don't think there will be a lot of dumping. I don't think there are a lot of people that bought because of ETC. I didn't buy ETC now. I've been holding ETC for quite some time because I believe that it's still undervalued, and we're still gonna see the price of ETC going up. So I'm not going to dump because I didn't buy anything because of this airdrop. I'm just going to accept my my Callisto, and I will see what happens with Callisto, and the price might go down ETC for a moment, and then continue with its natural growth, organic growth. Okay, so we spoke about ETC and the airdrop coming on the 5th of March, and then there's NEO. NEO is also dropping some ONT. When is it? It's tomorrow. Also, NEO has been seeing quite a bullish run. You can see the day chart. It's forming this pennant or triangle. A bullish one. We still have some time to go, maybe until the end of March, and then it will decide where it goes. But I don't think this airdrop that's happening tomorrow will have much effect. We can see the price going down a bit, like what we saw on Litecoin with LCC. We might see the price coming down here and then continue what it does in this triangle until it's squeezed and make decision whether to go up or to go down. Most probably going up. So I also didn't buy NEO here. I've been holding NEO for quite some time because I received gas because of holding NEO. So I'm not gonna be dumping NEO. I'm still gonna hold. I'll continue receiving gas out of it. I will see what happens. Okay, let's just look at LTC. What's happening with LTC? LTC has been quiet lately. Then we saw the price going down for whatever reason. There's not much to say. There's not much changes on Litecoin. Still bullish. Litecoin is a long-term hold, and I still think we're gonna see it growing faster than Bitcoin this year. Okay, we haven't spoken about Ether. Look at Ether BTC. The Ether also, there's not much that you can take out of this chart. Maybe let's bring in the USD chart, Coinbase. The USD chart is still forming that bullish flag. Let's just extend this line. That is trying to break there. We'll see what happens. So USD chart, it's giving a better story than the BTC chart. All right, let's just look at something else today. Pink. Pink. It's one of my favorite crypto that I still believe it's undervalued. I hold Pink, and the price has gone down quite a lot. I think it's still in the accumulation phase. The good thing about Pink is it's a POS coin, so holding it is easy. So you can just take it and wait for the price to go up. Pink, I think the market cap. Just bring in the market cap of Pink. Last time I checked, it was very low. It's only 11.5 million USD. So I think it's a great price to buy Pink here. The market cap is very low. It's a good coin, and you can also stake it. Okay, the other great coin that I've spoken about, it's European coin. Just try to follow ERC, what they're doing. Great dev team, and I also hold this for a long term. I still think it has got a great growth opportunity this year. A lot of things happening with ERC. So yeah, this is one of my pick that I've been holding for quite some time, accumulating the right prices, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, that will be it for today. Until we meet again, we'll see what happened to Bitcoin the next time we talk. Definitely it will have given us some direction on what's gonna happen. Alright, until we meet again, it was Mpo here. If you've got anything, do not hesitate to ask me. Cheers, stay humble.